Yon, lakad muna tayo. Ito tayo sa dagat, banda doon. At nakikita tayo sa ilalim. At may aso, hahabulin pa ako. Good morning. Let's be awesome. Yeah. Ito guys, Pawi Cafe. Baka gusto nyo subukan. Just in case you guys are in Morong. Pawi Cafe. Sarado pa kasi maaga pa. There you go. Shit, may aso. Huwag lang sana ako bullied. Ayan o. Hindi ako hahabulin. Good dogs. Ayan, so we're out. Kanina tayo sa dagat. At ito by the way, ito yung Delias. This is actually ito sort of, you could rent cottages or rooms or whatever. Pero kunwari day tour lang kayo or uwian, pwede kayo pumasok dito, walang bayad. Pwede rin mag-tenting doon sa tabing dagat, pero hindi ko alam, 200 yata overnight. Yun, see you later. Oh, by the way guys, sa mga pupunta rito, and if you're not from here, from Morong Bataan or sa town proper, may environmental fee na 25 pesos per head para sa maintenance ng dagat and for environmental cleanliness and stuff like that. So that's it. Okay guys, that road leads to Nagbalayog, which is the last town of Morong Bataan, or the last barangay of Morong Bataan if you came from Subic. But the first town or the first barangay of Morong Bataan if you came from Balanga. That also leads to Lagak, which is another town of Bataan. Okay guys, so this is the well-known Loleng's Huchuan and Banmi. So kilala tong Loleng's hindi lang sa Morong actually, because of their Banmis and Vietnamese food, actually Vietnamese noodles and sandwich. But what they offer varies. Meron din iba, pero yun nga, they became known because of their Banmis and their Huchus, which came from Vietnam. So before kasi may mga Vietnamese refugees here and doon nila nakuha yung recipe. That's it. Hindi ko kayo makita sa loob kasi sarado pa eh. Anyway, Rolex. And that's their second branch. They have 3 branches here in Morong, actually. So, that one is near the market. Madali na makita. So, yeah. So, yun. Nag-umpisa ako maglakad mga around 5:30 and it's now 6:41. So, more than an hour. Gusto tayo na uwian na. And you all have a good one.